Welcome back to Stuck in Nostalgia, where we guess what's inside the box. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're gonna guess what's in Barbie versus Bratz. Obviously, let's guess which one we're gonna get. Which one do we want to start with? Which one is your favorite, by the way? What do you like better? Were you more a Bratz girl growing up or Barbie? I think when I was a little younger, I was definitely more Barbie, and then as I grew up a little bit more, I became a Bratz because I think Bratz started coming up as I was growing up a little bit more. So I was definitely more of a Bratz person later on. I did like Barbie though, but let's start with the Bratz one. See what we get. But yeah, let's spin the wheel first of which one you think we're gonna get. So that's Sasha. Okay, let's see. If I can open this. What was one thing from Bratz or Barbie that you wanted that you never got growing up? Because there was one that I always wanted, and it was the airplane, but it was always too expensive to get. Hold on, sorry. Or at the time, or maybe I wanted something different, like a webkin. So my mom would be like, well, you're only going to get the webkins. You're not going to get the Bratz airplane. So clearly I probably didn't want it that bad, but every time I thought of it, I was like, oh, I definitely want it. Okay. Sorry for the ramble. Let's see. We have Sasha. Oh, these are cute. I didn't know they came in little, like, mini boxes like that. But we did not. I don't think that's Jade, is it not? I think this one's Jade. Oh, it's the 60s. Flashback. That's cool. Is that Jade? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we got Jade. Flashback Fever. That's cool. Oh, I want to get another one of those. I like Bratz though. They were probably definitely more my favorite compared to Barbie for sure. Okay. Which one did we get, Sasha? Oh. We got the bus. I want to see if I can open it. Or if that's just like what we get out of it. So what's the bus? A Flashback Fever FM party bus. That's cool. Can you open it? Should I open it? I don't know. Okay, I won't open the Flashback Fever, but I'll open the party bus one. Unless that's a mistake. I hope not. I highly doubt it. Let's see. Yeah. If any of this opens, or is it just like a picture of what it could look like? Yeah, I don't think this opens. Okay, that's okay. I was just curious. I'll put it back in the box. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this opens. Does it? I'm gonna just try once. Because it looks like it would. Like, in the picture, it looks like it does. I don't think this opens. Yeah. Okay. Oh well. did like that I got something a little different than a doll, though. That was neat. Couldn't just pretend it was open. We could open it was open. Okay. There's those. And that. Okay, now let's move on to the Barbie. I couldn't find Barbie spin wheel careers, so we're gonna just do the careers spin wheel. There are 16 different careers you could get through Barbie, so let's take a wild guess as to which one, as to what Barbie career we're gonna get. Pharmacist. Okay. Okay, let's see if we get pharmacist Barbie. Let's see what these look like. No, it looks like some kind of, maybe like a veterinarian, or because there's an animal, pet sitter maybe, pet walker, something to do with pets. It looks like a veterinarian, the way she looks. So I'm going to go with, we got a veterinarian, close to a pharmacist, and the last one, I'm going to get a pharmacist. Oh, no, we got an astronaut. What do you think of these guys? I don't even know, they're interesting Barbies, but they're kind of cool. Anyways, so we got some cool Bratz stuff. I might go get those ones again, and then some cool Barbie things. I have more Barbie mini universes, but I kind of want to do more of the blind boxes right now, so I'll open those another time. That's it for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll chat soon. Bye now.